Alright, back with another one. There's more goddamn birds in the parking lot, man. Trying to figure this out. These some big ass birds too. Big motherfucking birds. Where all these birds coming from, man? These goddamn ducks. All these big ass ducks come from, man? That's Target. Ducks in the middle of Target, man. This shit crazy. I ain't never seen this. The same parking lot with all them other damn birds. There must be some shit around here or something. What make birds flock together? Do shit keep them together? Like, what they looking for? Them ain't no regular, them some goddamn ducks.